listening to a CD in car last night and this was the first track, and it just reminded me how good it is, even though it was quite commercial at the time. I love the fact that it uses like a clean grand piano sound, makes it quite timeless. Now I've learnt it today, roughly. There's a lot more notes going on than what you first think. So I'll play it sort of just holding down the chords slower, and then I'll speed it up. That's sort of like the key note. You're playing that through most of the song really. I think it's gluing it all together with that bluesy, jazzy sort of sound. I'll play a bit quicker now. Work on them extra bits up top and just add more bits in. You can not that, but anyway, have fun.